In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off WhatsApp without disconnecting internet. This is perfect for those moments when you want to break from messages and calls but still need your Wi-Fi or mobile data on for everything else. We'll use a built-in Android option called Force Stop to pause WhatsApp completely until you choose to open it again. Before we begin, a quick note: the exact wording and layout in settings can vary slightly depending on your phone brand and Android version. You might see labels like apps, applications, app management, or apps and notifications. That's normal, the steps are the same. Start by opening your phone's settings. You can find the settings app on your home screen or app drawer, and on most phones, you can also swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. Once you're in, you're looking for the section that manages your installed apps. Next, tap the option labeled Apps or Applications. This is where your device lists everything you've installed along with system apps. If there's a search bar at the top, you can type WhatsApp to get to it quickly. Otherwise, scroll down the alphabetical list until you see WhatsApp. Now open the WhatsApp app info page by tapping its name. This screen is the control center for how WhatsApp behaves on your phone. You'll see details like storage, permissions, notifications, and battery usage. The button we want here is Force Stop. This tells Android to immediately close the app and all of its background processes. Tap Force Stop. A confirmation prompt will likely appear warning you that the app may misbehave if you force it to stop. That's expected. Confirm to proceed. The moment you do this, WhatsApp is effectively turned off on your device. You'll stay connected to the internet, and all your other apps, email, maps, music, browsers will continue to work normally. WhatsApp messages and calls won't come through while it's stopped, and you won't see new notifications from it. A few tips to keep in mind: WhatsApp will remain off until you open it again. If you tap the WhatsApp icon or a system action launches it in the background, it will wake back up and start receiving messages. If that happens and you still want it off, return to the same app info page and tap Force Stop again. Also, if the Force Stop button is momentarily grayed out, wait a second for the page to finish loading and try again. That's all there is to it. You've paused WhatsApp without touching your internet connection. When you're ready to come back, simply open WhatsApp as usual and everything will resume.